All right, guys, today we're doing some maintenance on my E36. I actually overnighted an M3 badge, so today we're turning the E36 Estral Blue
into an M3.
It's an M3. I just don't have the badge.
His custom individual repainted M Sport package 325 IS with an M3 badge. Just take this badge.
This one?
Yeah, because this is what this car has.
Yeah, but that car's like slower than this one.
So, correct me, you're opening your massive box full of all your cooling system parts because you're going to do your whole cooling system now, right?
Oh my god, we got the three. We got the three.
We got an M and we got a
M3.
I hope
we'll do that next week. We'll actually do that next week.
I'm gonna hold you to it.
This is like the actual, this is the, what you see on the highway special. The M325 CI.
Bro's getting surgical with it.
Yep, that's kind of a flex, unfortunately.
OEM luggage straps.
You guys M's have luggage straps. You guys M's have
Your M have turbos?
Damn.
No, it doesn't.
I'm leaving it kind of loose until it sticks so
You finally not a M Light owner. Wait,
no,
what
it's
do you
an M3. It's just missing the badge. It's stolen, bro.
Oh.
Someone was trying to be like me. That's why.
Mm-hmm.
my badge got stolen off that one too.
Oh yeah, and you just replace it with a 325 CI badge that just matches perfectly and just all aligns up like OEM.
Yeah.
To be fair, a 325 CI badge would fit perfectly on this car.
It would.
No, it wouldn't. No, because
What do
they
you
didn't
mean?
make this in a CI actually.
Oh, so we have to get the IS version, right?
It would have to be an I
yeah,
or an IS.
Yeah. So I'll buy you an IS one for Christmas. No, I'll throw it on there. You won't even know it's there.
Oh,
Looks pretty good actually.
Sheesh.
I will be doing the coolant system later this week, but I had to put this badge on. You don't know how many times I would get asked if this was an M3 or not. If you guys don't know, the E36 is the only chassis where it shares the same exact body, fenders, flares, everything like that with the base model. So,
Or you get your 318 IS and you put an M3 badge on it, then it's the same thing. That's also what he's trying to say.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. If it was a competition between these two, I don't think it'd be a competition. So.
what are you trying to say? Because
I mean,
this would
hey,
win.
you do-
This would win.
Look, you do have WBS now. I'll
Yeah, I have
give that to you.
WBS and I have the badge to match.
For now.
For now, what? Were you gonna steal it?
Wait, why do you think I would steal it?
What?
Wait, what do you think I would steal
Do
it?
they know what WBS means?
WBS is basically the beginning of the VIN of every M car. So every M car from E30 all the way up to the current G80s all started with WBS. All right, guys, it's the next day, and we finally getting an update on the RX7. So I'm gonna be driving to my paint and body guy and delivering this gas cap for the feed wide body kit and the headlight covers that I forgot to deliver with the car. Oh my God, I think there's like diseases growing in here. All right, guys, we're now in the E36. I got both headlight covers. This one's brand new, shipped it directly from Japan. We also have to make one quick pit stop to my friend's shop in Oakland to pick up some new mirrors for the car. You guys should probably guess what kind of mirrors. They're pretty popular amongst JDM cars, but I think that they're really gonna improve the look of the car. All right, guys, we've made it to the shop, and I know it's Vodak's shop because damn. Dude, this makes me miss mine so much, man. Ooh. Damn. Are these OEM BBS wheels? Bro, they look so good. They look like they're supposed to be on the car. I like how period correct it is. Oh my God. Full interior. This is making me want to buy another FC, man. I want something clean. OEM plus. Like this. Look at that. I'm about to send them some FCs later. You're a great guy.
I'm a bad influence.
But you're a bad influence.
I know that. That's what even other people tell me. You're a bad influence. It's like, I know that. But that's why we're friends.
Yep.
As a body kit
No
owner.
way you got all 3 generations of the... If you're a real rotary enthusiast, the goal is to have every single generation. Which there's only 3, by the way, but... The body's pretty mint though. Like
Yeah.
there's no like dents or anything in it.
Painted before.
Yeah, I mean it's been painted, but like the body's like it's straight. Damn, dude. Oh, dude, wait, I kind of like this body kit.
Yeah.
Wait, this looks pretty cool. I do a little bit of body work and some paint, and this thing would be mint.
They come together.
Dude, I have never seen one of those on top of a rotary engine. Holy. This is my first time seeing a FB motor. 12A. Another FC. This is a customer car. These are both customer cars, the FB and the FC, but man. Okay, I like the little steering wheel shifter. Yeah. Seats are nice. All right, guys, just said bye to Vodak. Finally on the way to Jose's house, who is doing the body work and paint work on my FD. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I think this is the first time ever I've been in a tunnel with a stock exhaust. Oh, here we are. You got the doors prepped, man. You guys didn't know my doors were destroyed pretty much. Not destroyed, but they had a good amount of Bondo in them, so Jose had to do a lot of repair on these to get them completely smooth. Oh. Dude, this paint job's about to go crazy, bro. Oh my god, I love this color. A lot of metallic, bro. Oh shit. Oh my god. Dude, the fenders look crazy, bro. Whole engine bay too. Dude, this is, oh my god. I've never seen my car this disassembled before, but like, dude, the engine bay is crazy. I've never had it painted engine bay before, so. Dude, it's gonna be so clean. This whole garage has been retrofitted into a paint shop. Like, that big ass compressor, and you have another one back there.
Another one back there.
Lights, heat lamp. Hold on, we gotta check out this Honda Jose has real quick. Little, oh. This is a clean ass EK. Whenever a car is owned by a painter, you know it's always gonna be super clean. You never see Hondas like this straight too. Damn, dude. That's like glass. Damn, the clear tail. Nice ass, damn, dude. Nice ass muffler. Nice sound, not straight pipe. He's not the guy at 3 a.m. revving down your street. GSR interior. Damn, baller. V20V. Got the VTEC. Damn. Dude, this car is like every single interior piece. I don't think I've ever seen a 90s Honda with like every single like trim piece. Oh shit. Oh. Well, that kind of picked up right there. Whoa. I forgot the B series got some juice in it. Oh my god. Oh shit. Wait, why did this pull harder than my K20? Oh my god. What the? Bro, this shit pulled harder than my K20. I swear to God. Oh my god. Oh! Wait, why did B20? What the? That's crazy. Dude. What the hell?
It works.
The NA B20V got the sauce. Yo. I might have to get like a B series or something, like a Honda Civic. Like, this is insane. Oh my god. Bro, my B series and my Integra did not feel like this. Not even a little bit. I'm so glad to have finally found someone that I can actually trust with my car, man. Like, he's doing such a great job. Jose's been sending me constant updates. He sent me, every time he completes a panel or paints a panel, sends me a text, sends me a whole video. Like, these are the kind of people that you want working on your car. You know what I'm saying? Whew. All right, guys, after an hour and a half drive home, I'm hungry, tired. I'm gonna go eat some dinner. Yo, if you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I just want to do a quick little update on the RX7. I realized in my past, like, all my videos, I haven't really mentioned the RX7, so a lot of people are thinking I just like left it in the backyard. I'm like neglecting it, but I've dropped it off to Jose around like 2 to 3 weeks ago, so he's been doing a ton of body work. My car was a lot more messed up than we had thought. He found a lot of Bondo in the doors. Yeah, he's taking his time, and I really, really appreciate that. Once again, we both want the car to come out like perfect. So yeah, after seeing the color, I'm definitely gonna buckle down. So I actually did, I know I just bought the E36. I also just made a really big purchase. I have another car coming this week, but ultimately when the RX7 is back from Bodywork, me and Ethan are just gonna strap down, buckle down, and get that car back on the road. Like, I am more motivated than ever to get my RX7 back up. Yeah, I'm just ready to dump all my money into the RX7. So you guys, once again, you guys are gonna see another car reveal later this week, but I want to let you guys know that I bought the E36, and this next car is like been one of my dream cars for a long time. I need running cars in order to produce content, and that content posted across YouTube. Now I got monetized on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts and Instagram. This is how I generate extra income to accelerate these projects. I don't really make money off of like building cars, like rebuilding my RX7, for example, I will not make that money back in content, you know? This RX7 rebuild series is gonna cost north of 20 grand, and I guarantee you I will not make that back in content. However, this E36 build series, the short form content I will farm from this next big car I purchased will most likely pay themselves back. Furthermore, the E36 and this next car I purchased are far more popular platforms and are much easier to get sponsored parts for. Nobody will really sponsor an RX7 just because it's such a niche car. The market, the audience isn't that big. Enough yapping. Once my RX7 comes back, we are locking in, man. That car has been gone far too long, and I'm excited to get it back on the road. So thanks for sticking with me to the end of the video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.